Alright, and welcome back here on Sun Sports as we get ready for the start of the third period here in Tampa Bay. As the score is Tampa Bay 2 and New Jersey nothing. As the Lightning got another power play goal at the tail end of the period there. And now sit up by a pair going into the third here.
Over to Zajac. Now he's into the attacking zone. Down into the corner. To Zajac. Vinny Prospol. He's in over the blue line on the attack. Into the corner he goes. He steals it. Here comes Vinny Lecavalier. One-timer. That's blocked by the defender. Up to Elias. Here comes Patrick Elias. Poked loose into the corner. Here's Vincent Lecavalier to St. Louis. Here comes Prospol. Fires one right on. Rakunik. He passes it to Breland, and he'll start out of his own zone to center. New Jersey finds it. Shoots the puck from beside the net. To Philippe Kuba. And the Devils take possession. He steals the pass. Strikes it hard on net. To Sergei Breland. Now a pass up to Craig. From behind the net. Pass up to Tanaski. Now he just gets it deep. One-time shot. That's blocked and didn't get through. Brodeur hangs on for the whistle. He might have been shaking on that blast, but he made the save. That's the bottom line, to keep it out. About to drop the puck. The faceoff goes to Tampa. Here's Jamie Langenbrunner. To Jamie Langenbrunner. Here comes Langenbrunner. Shoot! Puck jumped on by Pratt. Denis covers up for the whistle. So much of this game is about confidence. So that's
Michel Ouellette.
Always hungry for more. Defenders should be keeping tabs on this guy. Face-off won by Parise. There's a quick shot. Missed the net. Pratt intercepted along the boards. To Langenbrunner. One-timer. To Richards. Now he moves the puck into the neutral zone. Tampa Bay's offside. Now that was a big hit, folks. He just barrels right through him with a tremendous hit. The puck is about to be dropped. The faceoff goes to the Lightning. Delayed penalty coming up. He gets called for high sticking.
Patrick Elias, 2 minutes for high sticking.
Tampa is executing well with a man advantage so far tonight, Craig. They're 2 for 3, and they get another chance here.
Well, this power play isn't afraid to let the puck go, and that's why they've been so successful.
They're offside once again. They're getting ready for the faceoff. The faceoff goes to the Lightning. Here's Philippe Kuba. Madden dumps the puck in. Pass ahead to Prospol. To Tanaski. Puck grabbed by Ranger. He passes it to Tanaski. Now it's passed to Prospol. He coughs up the puck. Vinny Prospol. He picks off the puck. Cleared down the ice by Matvichuk. He passes the puck to Ranger. To Prospol. Here comes Prospol. Blasted right on. a solid 2 for 4 on the power play. Brodeur the save. We're ready for the face-off. The face-off goes to the Lightning. Taken up, picked up by Elliott. To Madden. Just one man to beat. Puck is cleared by Boyle. White dumps it in. Less than 2 minutes to go here in the third. Out come the Lightning. Boyle dumps it in. And they get called for icing.
An absolutely huge hit. The one thing you can't do is play with your head down, and he follows through and absolutely explodes into that hit.
Face-off won by Le Cavalier. The ref indicates a delayed call. Here comes Brad Richards. Back in from the wing. Gionta will get the gate for holding.
Brian Gionta.
It's good to play
2 minutes
but if you go
for
too far, you'll
holding.
get the penalty.
You can see that coach isn't too happy about the call. Tampa has shown great finish on the power play so far tonight, and they'll get another chance here. Less than a minute to go in the third period. Tampa grabs it to Richards. Now it's past to St-Louis. Here comes St-Louis. Boyle takes it. He passes it to St-Louis. It's a one-on-one battle, and play is whistled down for the offside.
John Madden.
He's got fantastic speed, and he uses it so well to pressure the puck carrier. You turn the puck over, he's got the hands to put it in the back of the net.
Madden dumps the puck in. Brodeur gets off the ice and out of the game.
I'm not sure they've got enough time to get 2 goals.
They hit the 18 net.
Vaclav Prospal. Power play goal. First goal this season.
Three-goal lead late in the third. That's pretty much sealed the deal.
They've really showed what they're capable of.
To O'Brien. Now he shoots the puck in. And it's passed ahead to Gionta. Less than 10 seconds to go in the third.
Now the Devils look to pull Brodeur again here, as it is very, very late, and they don't have a hope of getting back into this one here, as they are down 3-0 with only 3 seconds to go.
Devils are pulling their goalie.
Well, why not? Maybe they can find a silver lining what's been a difficult game.
It's all over. The Devils lost this game. The final score, 3-0. Here are tonight's 3 stars of the game.
Ryan Craig, Nick Tarnaski, Vaclav Prospal.
From Tampa, Florida, I'm Jim Houston.
And I'm Craig Simpson. Thanks for watching.
We'll see you next time.
Alright, well, we'll be back here for the final recap, as the final score is the Tampa Bay Lightning 3 and the New Jersey Devils 0. Back in a moment with the final recap here on Sun Sports.